Get rid of wrinkles, dead cells and expression lines with just 3 ingredients. And tell me which city or state you're from when you watch this video. For this recipe, we will need 1 carrot and 1 English potato. Now let's peel the carrot. Did you know that carrots have countless benefits for our skin? Let us know in the comments. Carrot is rich in vitamins, beta-carotene, and antioxidants, which are some of the best natural ingredients for our skin. The vitamin C that carrots contain makes the skin more beautiful, glowing, and healthy looking. And it's an ingredient that everyone has at home. You will grate the carrot. You can grate it on the thicker side of the grater, or on the thinner side, no problem. After this, transfer the grated carrot to another container. Use a sieve to get all the juice out of the carrot. Keep squeezing it until you notice that no more liquid is coming out. Let's repeat the same process with the potato. Peel the potato and then grate it as well. The potato also has numerous benefits for our skin. This is thanks to its antioxidant factor that will make our skin eliminate all the damage caused by the sun. With that, it will prevent wrinkles. The potato also contains many other vitamins, such as vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B5, and vitamin C. All these vitamins help in the renewal of the cells of the face, besides leaving the skin super hydrated, preventing premature aging. I also added 1 tablespoon of gelatin. I mixed it well and let the gelatin hydrate. Now let's take it to the fire for a few minutes. Remember to stir very well. Leave it on low heat until it boils. When it starts boiling, don't stop stirring, let it boil a little longer. Then you can turn off the heat. The ideal point of our recipe is this one. Once this is done, we will move it to another container and let it cool down. When it is cold, with the help of a brush or a piece of absorbent cotton, you will apply it on your face. Remember to sanitize your skin before applying. Apply a thin layer of the product and wait for it to dry. Then apply another layer and wait for it to dry again. The more you use, the more results you will get. After it dries on your face, you will remove it very slowly. It comes off very easily, so there's no need to worry. And besides preventing wrinkles, it will lighten the spots on your face. Do it and tell me the results afterwards. I will pass on a message that says, "Does God hear my prayer?" If there is one thing that the Lord is pleased to do, it is to hear and answer the prayers of His beloved children. However, the answer to that is in the book of Isaiah 65 verse 24, which reads, "Before they cry out, I will answer, they will not yet be speaking, and I will hear them." I'll leave it at that. Until the next video. Bye.